everyone, I'm Saloni, and you're watching Life Outside the Ring, the channel where we go beyond the ring, into real life. From personal moments to powerhouse comebacks, we've got all the behind the scenes action of your favorite WWE stars, so let's dive in. Get ready, Bella Army, because Nikki and Brie Bella are making their way back into the ring. Yes, the iconic duo is officially training for their big return at the upcoming Evolution pay-per-view this July. They've been grinding it out in the gym with their personal trainer, sharpening those signature Bella moves. But it's not all sweat and hustle, the sisters also shared some heartwarming family moments. We saw sweet pics of them hanging out with their little ones, Teo and Buddy, showing that these mamas are balancing family love and ring readiness like pros. The Bellas are back, and Evolution just got a lot more exciting. Imagine this, you are sitting front row at SmackDown, the lights are flashing, crowds going wild. And suddenly, Solo Sikoa locks eyes with you. That cold, silent stare, you feel it in your bones. No words, just power. You blink, he doesn't. And it gets crazier, Bronson Reed is in the ring, clashing with none other than LA Knight, yeah. You're right at the edge, watching every move. Suddenly, LA Knight leads toward the apron to deliver a flying move, and guess what? You lend a hand, steadying him from the audience side, just in time for him to crash into Bronson with full force. The crowd goes wild, and so do you. That moment, legendary.
Watch yourself, watch yourself. Get him, Mike. Get him, LA. Get him, baby. Hey. Appreciate that. Get him.
And then it happens. Cody Rhodes, the American Nightmare, walks past, looks straight at you, and reaches out. You shake hands. A moment you'll never forget. Now hold on, it's main event time. John Cena vs Ron Kings, aka our very own R-Truth. Things get heated, Cena's fired up and grabs his championship belt, ready to strike Truth. But wait, CM Punk's music hits. He stomps down to help R-Truth. With the twist, Cena smashes Punk with the belt, once, then twice. And before you can even react, boom! Cena throws Punk straight through the table. The crowd loses it, and so do you. Let's talk about our glowing queen, Naomi, aka Miss Money in the Bank. She recently dropped some stunning shots, holding her briefcase like a boss, and let's just say, she's ready. Naomi even teased her plans, saying she's all set to cash in on Tiffany anytime now. And to celebrate, she's seen vibing with a vodka bottle in hand, classy, confident, and dangerous. This Money in the Bank holder is glowing and plotting, Tiffany better stay alert. Up next, it's your United States champion, Zelina Vega. She recently shared a fierce video, proudly flexing with her championship belt like an absolute queen. With that gold on her shoulder and confidence in her eyes, Zelina made it clear. She's not just holding the title, she's owning it. And honestly, she's never looked more unstoppable. Bayley is set to battle Becky Lynch for the Intercontinental Championship. And trust me, this one's gonna be pure fire. Over at the training center, it's a wild crossover. Riddle Bro is back at it, but this time, he's not alone. He's been spotted training with none other than Io Sky and Kairi Sane. From mat drills to high-flying sequences, this trio is blending serious strength with serious skill. And let's be honest, we never expected this combo, but we are loving it. Cody Rhodes, the ultimate fan favorite, was spotted signing championship belts, posters, and even personal items for his fans. From kids to die-hard collectors, Cody made sure everyone left with a moment to remember. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life Outside the Ring, where we go beyond the ring, into real life. See you in the next one.